Hey, what's up? I'm just checking in on GameStop really quick. So one trend line that I found really interesting was how this was a support line uh, that was being held on January 22nd. Then when the market opened back up on the 25th, we were operating in this entirely different zone. Um, until we fell back in the end of the day into this range where we were actually finding back in this zone beneath this trend line where it was being used as support, now as resistance. So it would stay within this range, this line being drawn by the line below it being drawn by the absolute bottoms that we're getting here in this channel that we're just breaking out of now. So this was a meaningful line in terms of determining support or resistance. And so it was a support level, then became a resistance level, became a support level again, became a resistance level rather again, and then a support level where the absolute bottoms land in this channel. But now we're moving up into this next level, and this is just the craziest thing I have seen on the market and through Bitcoin cycles, but a short squeeze coordinated on WallStreetBets is just such an interesting new level of gamification, game theory in the market. And it's game theory that's being applied by online forums that are public and open. It's in a sense an open source revolution on markets. So as I'm speaking right now, we're breaking completely out of this channel that was being this was holding price through the 25th, and it was continuing to do so today until we started peaking out of here. Look at how high this wick got up to 114. Now we're at 120. In terms of trying to determine what sort of level we're at in terms of the next channel, well, let me just move this up a little bit. I mean, yeah, looking at it by the trend of the tops and just sort of taking where the trend flipped and then provided a support is probably not going to be as helpful as looking at what were those tops that we had on previous moves. On the 15-minute chart, we are right about where we would be getting, or we're actually past now. So this was the top of the wick where we would get support on the 25th. This was the last point where we had that major move on the downside. Anyway, we see that we're breaking past that. My alarm is going off. GameStop is going bananas, and we're here watching it. Comment down below, how high is this going to go? Is it going to hit 420? LOL. Is it going to be out at 200? What's going to be the top, and where are you getting out? This is an open source revolution, so crowdsource your information.